The ranking option shows us how a country is relatively placed on its region or the world regarding a set of selected indicators. The user must choose the year for the analysis to be done by. Ease Data will use the most recent year available for each source, given the parameter defined by the user. For example, if he chooses the year 2012 and a particular data source has information for the year 2010, but not for 2011 and 2012, then the application will work on the basis of data from 2010 for that particular source. Now, let's imagine that we are interested in analyzing the position of 3 economies in Latin America and the Caribbean. The region-level ranking option is selected, then the corresponding region, and finally, the countries: Brazil, Mexico, and Peru. Next, we will have to determine the area of analysis. We choose the infrastructure pillar in the microeconomic context. At this point, we should choose the indicators to be included in the graph. For instance, those between quality of overall infrastructure and electricity and telephony infrastructure. After that, press the Submit button to continue the query. On this section, a summary of the query can be seen. Countries and indicators selected. As the user may notice, indicator colors can be changed and elements can be removed. For instance, if the indicator 2.06 is removed and a different color is assigned to the Quality of Port Infrastructure indicator. Finally, when the entire setup is ready, one should press the Draw button in order to visualize the chart. Now, it can be seen that when it comes to quality of port infrastructure, Brazil is ranked 23rd, Mexico at 11th, and Peru at 17th. The rest of the indicators can also be explored by passing the cursor over the graph barriers. Additionally, the table provides further information about the query. Also, content can be sorted by a particular column. For instance, the regional position. Also, keywords can be searched. Finally, these other 2 icons allow the user to download the table as a spreadsheet and the graph as a JPEG file. The next video examines the world-level rankings. Thanks for visiting Ease Data.